Welcome to the Business and Life Design Podcast. I'm your host, Rebecca, your business designer, and together we will design your business authentic to who you are and the life you have always dreamed could be yours. I help people who've always known they are meant for big things actually make the life they want happen with a business that transforms lives, gives them time freedom, and makes them a 6 to 7 figure income. So if you are ready to take this journey and are committed to live an extraordinary life, then welcome and let's get started. Does it sometimes feel like there's no way you could increase your income because you can't seem to find enough time for the clients that you currently have? There is a better way, and today I'm going to share it with you. I've got my coffee and Walter, my little Chihuahua and Italian Greyhound mix, here snuggled on my lap with me, so let's dive in. I am really excited to share this with you today because this is truly a game changer. This is the same strategy I help many of my clients implement, and in less than a year, many are able to double and triple their income and work less at the same time. How? Well, it's about putting forth extreme focus on your core result that you provide your clients with. What is that step-by-step pathway? And then do the paid offers that you currently have in your business align with this? If not, then in the next 12 months, the fastest way to growth is to trim the fat in your business so you can focus on the one core result that provides transformation in the lives of the people that you help. So here's what I tell my clients that have brought them big results. The first thing is you need to focus on one-to-one paid offer, okay? So do you provide a service or a coaching program? Okay, either one. Which one of those do you provide? Whichever one you provide, take that program and focus on it. And then ask yourself, how can I make this program better? How can I bring more value to my audience? And then I want to ask you this, are you valuing your time enough with your pricing, with what you have priced your program at? Is that actually valuing your time? And then how many spots do you have open truly and comfortably? How many spots do you have open each month for new clients to work with you? Okay. You do not have to help 100 people at a time in order to make a 6 to 7 figure income. Okay, you can truly work with a small number of one-to-one clients and you can make a significant income with that. And then do you have it set up on a monthly package so you can have consistent income coming in each month? Okay, so these are some different areas that you can look at what you currently have going on in your business and look at it and see, okay, can I tweak things here to make it better, to serve me better and to serve my clients better? Okay, what are those ways that you can look what you're already doing and make it better and improve upon it so that you are not overwhelming yourself with your business? Because that is one of the worst places to be, my friend. So focus on that one-to-one paid offer. And then the next thing that you can do is you can create a one-to-many paid offer. So with your one-to-one paid offer, unless you hire a team to do the work for you, there will always be a ceiling to your earning potential because there's only one of you and only so much time that you have to work with in a day. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. And so it's really about working smarter instead of harder with clients. Working smarter with the number of clients that you do take on so that you can provide the most value to them, but then working really, really smart and coming up with ways to be able to help many, many people at once. And you can do that with a one-to-many paid offer. So the way to wealth is to create a paid offer that can help many people at a time without sacrificing any of your time whenever you have a new person that purchases. So a one-to-many paid offer, it can look like a group coaching program, or you could create a membership program, or a self-study online course, or some other kind of digital product. And so you want to focus on these two different paid offers, okay? So you need to have your one-to-one paid offer, something that you offer clients individually, directly, and you want to price this offer high, okay? You want to value the time that you are personally dedicating to your clients. And then take that same program and turn it into a one-to-many paid offer where you can help multiple people at the exact same time without sacrificing any of your one-to-one time to help each new person that comes on, okay? And so once you have these two paid offers set up in your business, you'll want to set up an evergreen funnel for each of these two paid offers. Now, an evergreen funnel is a funnel that is constantly going, constantly running, where it's not a date driven, it's not dependent on a specific date for when it starts and stops. It's always going and always bringing you in new leads and new clients. And when you have this evergreen funnel in place in your business, it will give you freedom where you can create a marketing funnel that educates your audience in depth for you and sells your paid offers while you sleep. Okay, so you'll want to make sure you have a really good evergreen funnel in place in your business that is selling these two paid offers that you have. Okay, and once you have that in place, you'll want to choose 1 to 2 core marketing avenues to give value and then point to your marketing funnels. So these marketing avenues could look like, you could do a Facebook ad. You could release your own podcast. You could have an Instagram following, build an Instagram following. You could be sharing posts on your Facebook page. You could be blogging. You could start a YouTube channel, and you could be doing Pinterest. But everything that you do needs to have an intentional purpose behind it. Okay, everything that you do needs to be feeding into your funnel that is selling for you all the time. And this is what provides you with time freedom. So by using this strategy, by this time next year, just see how much your income has grown and how much more time freedom that you have. You deserve to create a life that you love, a life full of time freedom to take off whenever you want, have the income that you want to have so that you can experience all that life has to offer you, so that you can be there for the people who matter the most to you and just enjoy your life. Your business can provide you with this. You just have to design your business to be able to provide you with this. And now the worst thing is to be stuck running a business that is running you. So like business where you feel like no matter what you do, it's never enough and you're always feeling stressed because you always feel like you are behind. And I used to feel like this with my clients. I had an overloaded schedule. And so really once you learn how to take control of your schedule and intentionally design your business to be able to bring in the income that you want and have the exact paid offer that you want and only take on the number of clients that are truly going to be good for you. Once you can design your business around this, it changes everything. Your business should be serving you. It should be giving you time freedom and impacting lives at the same time. And it can. It should not be sucking away your joy. And if it is right now, my friend, you can break free. You do not have to stay where you are. You just need to choose to take action on implementing this strategy. Okay? Well, if you have any questions at all about today's episode, feel free to reach out to me by sending me an email at rebecca@yourbusinessdesigner.com. I am always here to help you. I'll see you in the next episode. If you enjoyed this episode, take a moment right now and leave a rating or share with just one person who you know needs to hear it. This one thing that you do today will help spread this message of freedom in the world and release people from being stuck in their business and their life. Every action you do matters. So do your one action today to help cause that ripple effect of good in the world. Lastly, I wanted to let you know that I open my calendar each week to 2 new conversations where I coach 2 people for free as my way of giving back. You can apply for one of these complimentary business design breakthrough sessions by clicking on the link in the show notes or heading directly to my website at yourbusinessdesigner.com/apply. If you are selected for one of the 2 sessions I do each week, we'll get on a call together, look over your business, whether you've been in business for a while or you are brand new. We'll look at your business and then visualize where you want to go. Then uncover what is standing in your way and create an action plan for you to move forward to create the business and extraordinary life that you want. So go ahead and take action now because life is short and your dreams are worth it. I'll talk to you soon.